Congrats on the purchase of your ATTO Folding Scooter by Movinglife. In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly. After removing all the contents from the box, start by unfolding the steering tiller and unfold your foldable handlebars. Unfold the scooter by pushing in on both of the red latch buttons. Carefully unfold the scooter and push down on the front latch bar to latch it in place. Pull up on the seat release lever to pull your seat up into the locked position. Remove your battery to install the battery fuse. And reinstall the battery. Power on your scooter and you are good to go. Be sure to charge your scooter for at least 4 hours before using it. If you have any other questions regarding this process, please call AutoMobility Store at 1-800-431-3183.